Hi, Seerat. How's it going?
Hey, Noor. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking.
What did you do over the weekend, Noor?
I went to the park. It was nice and relaxing. How about you?
I stayed home and watched a movie. It was a cozy weekend.
Are you free this evening, Seerat?
I think so. Why?
I was wondering if you'd like to grab a coffee.
Sounds great. Let's do it. Do you like reading, Noor?
Yes, I love it. How about you?
Me too. I'm currently reading a mystery novel.
That sounds exciting. I'd love to hear about it. Do you have any hobbies, Seerat?
Yes, I like painting. How about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar. Maybe I can play for you sometime.
Noor, what's your favorite season?
I love winter. I enjoy the cold weather. What about you?
I prefer spring. I love when the flowers bloom.
Are you a morning person, Seerat?
Not really. I like sleeping in. What about you?
I'm an early bird. I love mornings.
Do you cook, Noor?
Yes, I like trying new recipes. Do you cook?
Sometimes I mostly make simple dishes.
Do you have any pets, Seerat?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Mono. Do you have pets?
I have a dog named Max. They'd probably get along.
What kind of music do you like, Noor?
I like rock music. How about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar. Maybe I can play for you sometime.
Do you like watching movies, Seerat?
Yes, I love movies. What about you?
Me too. I just watched a great one last night.
Really? I'd love to hear about it. Do you have any plans for the weekend, Noor?
Not sure yet. I might go hiking. What about you?
I'm planning to visit my friend. We'll probably go shopping.
Do you work out, Seerat?
Sometimes I go for a run. How about you?
I try to exercise a few times a week. It helps me feel energized.
Have you traveled to any other countries, Noor?
Yes, I went to Italy last year. It was amazing. Have you traveled?
Not yet, but I'd love to someday.
Are you a coffee person or a tea person, Seerat?
Definitely tea. What about you?
I'm all about coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Do you enjoy cooking, Noor?
Yes, I find it relaxing. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta. It's easy and delicious.
Do you like rainy days, Seerat?
Yes, I love the sound of rain. Do you?
I do. It's perfect for reading a book.
Do you play any sports, Noor?
Yes, I play basketball with friends. What about you?
I enjoy swimming. It's so refreshing. Do you like trying new foods, Noor?
Absolutely, I'm open to anything. How about you?
Me too. I love trying new dishes from different cultures.
If you'd like to improve your conversation skills, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Journey Through Life Stories. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this conversation in the comments section.